up everybody? We are walking through the streets of Mumbai and today is the festival of Dahi Handi. Dahi means curd, Handi is the pot. So it's the pot breaking festival where they form human pyramids and they break it open. So yesterday was the festival of birthday of Krishna, that is the Janmashtami, and Jason is from UK and he went to see the ISKCON temple where he got to see the birthday of Krishna. And the next day people celebrate the pot breaking festival, which is actually the act or the game which Krishna played with his group of friends. You can see some Govindas, they are called the Govindas. So hello to some Govindas, they are breaking pots today. And how many pots did you break today? आतापर्यंत किती हंड्या तोडल्या? 10? आम्हाला बघायचं आता कुठे जाऊ हंडी बघायला? फोर्टला इथून सरळ जाणार तुम्ही?
इथून राईटने जाऊन एकदम सरळ जाणार.
आता सगळ्यात जास्त गोविंदा कुठे गिरगावात असतील का? गिरगावमध्ये. थँक्यू, ऑल द बेस्ट. Me and Jason are going to attempt something very crazy right now. There is a truck of Govindas over there and we want to get on that truck with those people. Yo! You want to go up there?
Wake up without your love. I don't want to know where you been last night. All I want is yours. Got nothing inside. You don't want to know. I don't want your lies. All we got is time. When you're here, you are all mine. And I wanna show. I'm feeling too strong for you. And I wanted to be up to sleep. I don't wanna know what you doing.
So Jason is from UK and me and Jason decided to do an adventure, like go on a truck full of these Govindas, and finally we managed to do it. We got a truck and they gave us a lift. Thank you very much! I told them that Jason is a bit freaked out because this is so much crazy and noise and all. In his country they are very quiet. But आपण याला इंडियन बनवून टाकूया. We'll make you an Indian. So the truck will go from place to place and they will break open the pots at every place. And whenever they break a pot, their institution gets some money which is shared in their group.
So what is the institution?
It's like a group. If they live in some area, that area will have some group together and they will break the pots together.
How many pots have they broken so far?
किती तोडले? Only one pot has been broken yet. They just started it. And we are lucky to get on their truck.
Sorry. How many are they trying to break?
आज किती तोडणार आहे तुम्ही? 10-12? He wants to break 15 to 20 pots all over the city. They will travel. And then, you know, sometimes there is other group also like this which comes. So they have a competition with each other. Whoever makes higher number of pyramid, they win.
And where are these guys from? From what area?
Sorry.
Where are they
कुठे
from?
राहता तुम्ही लोक? They stay near Kolaba.
Yeah. Okay. So
Come for it.
by the Taj?
By the Taj, near the Taj. So it's like their neighborhood. They live together. They know each other since childhood. They play cricket, football, everything together. So they play pots together. They have a special uniform. See, their uniform is special. And that's Shiv Sena, Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. You know, near Gateway of India, we saw the statue of Shivaji Maharaj. He is important for us because he protected us in this region from Mughal of Delhi.
Got it.
So if Shivaji would not be there, we would not be there.
Everything is named after him.
Everything is named after him. Shivaji Maharaj ki jai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, everything.
Good.
So he is today's superstar. He is going to break the pots today. So there is all protection for him, helmet and all. Safety is very important. So he is going to be our rock star, and they all are important because they will be having a base. So we have arrived at the destination. That's the pot we are going to break. Their group.
Without your love, love.